Alright, thank you so much for joining us here on Sly Media. You can start by introducing yourself and tell us the activities that you are doing in for the community in Bindura.
Oh, thank you very much, Sly Media. Thank you for visiting us here in Bindura. My name is Councillor Carlos Tokyo. I'm the mayor for Bindura municipality. We are celebrating our Mother's Day. It's called Women's Day. Of course, it's now belated. What actually we did, you have to select people from who are marginalized, people who are staying without food in their homes. They are very desperate in these times of COVID. So we've decided to launch a program, invite different partners who came on board with the 22 hampers. Of the hampers, there's a bottle of cooking oil, 2 liters. There's a pack, 500 kgs of beans. There's 2 kgs rice. There is also a bar of soap, 1 kg. We have this criteria. The criteria we use, actually, we have to select single ladies or single mothers, single old mothers, those who are above the age of 60, and we have made sure that their details have been captured. For example, there was one old lady at number 229 Jumbe Street. She's blind, 62 years of age, and we've managed to donate a hamper, and she was so grateful. You will see some of the pictures later. I will unfold them. The criteria method again does not choose a ward, because I am from Ward 5, but I've managed to go to Ward 4. I also managed to donate to Ward 11. I managed to donate to Ward 6. I also managed to donate to some people within my municipal council area. As for those who have been left behind, I'm sure we are going to cover them as more donations are coming on board. I want to thank you, Mr. Vama Moyo, one generous woman in Harare. I want to thank the young guys, the youthful lead group. It's a new group in Bindura, coming from my ward, and actually it's named Let Them Smile. Those are the young boys who are actually helping me to have food on table of the much marginalized people in my community.
Maita basa mamoyo, tinoda kukutendai nemoyo wakadai. Pfuurirai mberi nokungotiitira zvakanaka mazvita henyu.
Street inonzi Jumbe, pa number 239 Jumbe. Chibatai zvimwe zvacho
nyasha tambira kavanhu wakamira zvako nesingatambira
tachitai
tinotenda mamoyo
mai vangu chaivo mai nherera yenyu kule chirikadziwo dzikurwara usesi kudai. Aiwa ndafara chaizvo. Mwari wakomborere.
Anafunga tikanzera mumusi. Tikapinde mumbere. Aiwa. Ndinogara kopana. Right, muri kuona mama ndakwigirai zvino. Idzi beans, rice, sipo mafuta right vakomana vari kushanda basa vandinoshanda navo vanotibatsira kutsvaga indobatsira kutsvaga vanotambura zvakanyanya ndoziva kuti hamutambirei zvakanyanya asi makura unoda kubatsira ndizvo chaizvo.
Munosarudza here kuti munhu anosapota bato ripi pane zvematongerwo enyika pamune muchipa chikafu?
Kwete, hazvidaro. Kana uchinge wava kumirira vanhu haukwanise kuchasarudza vanhu nokuti wava munhu wemunhu wese. Auhina nguva iyoyo ndiye ava kutora nevavaikwikwidzaana navo. Mukaona pane vanhu vatanga tichipa, vamwe vacho vanotoonekwa vari ma-strong members ema-political parties akasiyana-siyana. Muno mubhindura tantini ma-political party akasiyana-siyana anosanganisira na Mjuru, MDC Alliance, MDC Tokozani Kupe, MDC and many other which actually contested. Remember we had independent candidates as well. Basically answering your question correctly, atisarudze vanhu. Atina kwatakarerekera handigone kurereka ini ndava baba womunhu wese. We have engaged a number of business people here. We have been engaging them of late on different fora. For example, Ashanti, we have been engaging them in fumigation of our municipal area. I'm encouraging more to come on board and join us because our people are poor, our people are marginalized, our people vari kunhonga svosve nemuromo. Zvinhu hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Upfumi hwenyika hauna kumira zvakanaka zvachose. Saka ndichavaudza, ndichavakurudzira varambe vachiuya on board. Even if you look in zvimwe zvinhu zvakasiyana-siyana, ma-social amenities around our city, around our town. Mabini, unotona, this one was donated by T1, this one was donated by Ashanti, this one was donated by who, so and so. I'm encouraging all other would be minded to come on board.
What do you have in stock for the residents in Bindura? Your future plans?
Well, thank you very much. We have got a lot of things in place for our people. Initially, we are actually doing a total revamp of our infrastructure, that is the sewer, water reticulation. Now water from 3 hours, which we used to use in our taps, takuwa na mvura about 15 to 18 hours per day. Tani mapampu manyowan, takuwa gadzirira upenyu wakanaka. Tavaka chikoro, chasara kungoiswa maglass, muchaya mchichivura shakari.
Ndechipi chikoro ichi?
Chinonzi Brookdale Primary School. Ti urongwa wandinawo nekanzuru yangu ndewekuti tivake chimwe chinonzi Woodbrook Primary, tozovaka chimwe chinonzi Garikai Primary tisati tapedza temi ino. Zvikapofamba zvakanaka semafambiro aita izvi, tichange tava nechikoro chinyowani zvakare chingave chiri kuma-low density suburb uko kusina ma-primary schools akawanda ecouncil. Ma-council schools edu akazarisa vana zvokuti one teacher is teaching 1 to 75, which is not proper considering the COVID period we are living in. It's not a conducive environment for the teacher, it's not a conducive environment for the learner, it's not a conducive environment basically for our health. So these are some of the things which we are actually doing for the betterment of our people.
Where are the people going to be stationed or relocated to? Because we understand at close to CBZ or TM, the structures which were there, which were being used by vendors, they have been destroyed. What's the plan?
This was a government initiative during the COVID period, but notwithstanding our efforts which were underway already, we have actually built a state-of-the-art marketplace at Msika. We are also going to Marimira Shopping Center. We are also going to Garikai Shopping Center. We are going to Chiwarizo Shopping Center. We are going to Aerodrome Shopping Center. All these centers we had state-of-the-art infrastructure for our vendors. It will have state-of-the-art infrastructure for our farmers. We are also going to construct a wholesale marketplace so that atisanganise the retail neve wholesale. Nokuti what we want is a smart city What we want is a smart environment. Definitely, I will show you around Kwese Kwachesa marketplace, including the low density, Kwapiki, Kujenmo, Ku hospital. We are also going to do that. We have the muscle, we have got the funding, and we are ready to go. We are willing to go. We've already started the initiatives, and everything is in place.
Thank you so much, Mayor, for affording us this interview on Sly Media.
Thank you very much, Sly Media. Good day.